Hello everybody! Today Lincoln Boy is going to show you how to make a Lincoln log house and a Lincoln log person. So let's get started.
So first we start with these two pieces far away from each other. Then we use this to put these right close together. Then we put these two pieces right here. How do we keep them up? Use these two. See? Now, a good part is to put these right here so they get the right level with this. Oh, oopsies. We put these two here. Then we put this on. It should about be 3 blocks high, if you know what I mean. But if you want to do a little window, instead of doing that, you put these here, put this right there, another one right there, put this there, and then last things you should do is actually put these here, and this here. But if you run out, you should do it like this with this.
Or you can also put this part in front for decoration.
Yep. But I like to do it this way. However way you like it, that's how you want it. But what are these for? Just little areas? Nope. Is it little areas to stop your little kids from wrestling all around the house? No. So, if you don't want that, you can do a little window like that. Make sure you just do that. Put this right there if you want, or this how you want it. So you just keep on doing this over and over again until you're on the last and final part. Well, sometimes that can happen.
Now, Lincoln Boy is going to show you how to make a Lincoln log person. Very easy, quick, and fun.
So first, you start with this little simple piece. Then you start with 2 other simple pieces.
So this one is thick and the other 2 are thinner. And this one's double-sided and those are.
Make sure they're flat. I like to do it like this. So this is like little head, little feet, little arms, and a little shirt.
So there you go.
Hope you like our video.
Yeah.
And subscribe for more. Put a thumbs up. Goodbye. Nice to see ya.